here after months of waiting. Ordered this bad boy in March, and it is finally in. So let's get her unboxed and let's see. Oh, yes, good, great. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Oh, that's nice. There she is. Oh, this is gonna, yes. Let's pray that the helmet is in 100% condition. Oh, okay. So, oh, it's pretty light. So we got the helmet. Visor. Of course, we got the poster. And we got some stickers. Now, for the bad news. As I'm looking in here, I see that my shockwave is not in here unless they put it in the helmet or something. So let me go ahead and, which I don't think they put it. Oh, you know what? They might. Hold on, because I feel a box here. There it is. Let's go. Oh. Alright. You guys ready for this? Because I'm excited. Oh. And the helmet. The Atlas 2.0. The style that I decided to go with is... Alright. Let's go ahead and get this shockwave installed. Along with the GoPro set up. Alright. So, I'm actually gonna take the visor off. That way I don't damage it or nothing by accident. Right there. Screw. Got this wire. Okay. Got the actual shockwave itself. So, now, I'll take out these little screws in the back. Now, these screws right here are tiny, like tiny. Do not lose those. I'm just gonna put mine in that container. Little back piece pops out. Gently release the poppers on the cheek pads. All right. It's my first time ever having a helmet with these emergency type of straps. So for this wire right here, there's a small opening in the very back, and that's where you push that through. and then you can see it plugs in right there. So we'll plug that one in too. All right, I am connected. Let's see. Let's see how well it is. So first impressions on the music, it's not bad, and Rock already came out saying the fact that if you order this year between February to like a few days ago, they're going to send you the upgraded shockwave when available. And I can see why, because here, I know it's going to get copyrighted, so I can't put you guys in there for long, but this is the sound. It's not all the way up, but listen for the difference whenever I do turn the music all the way up.
And we're turning it up.
As you can see, it kind of goes out in and out right there. So that's not good, especially for a $150 device. I don't think that's really good. But like I said, they plan on upgrading, so that's nice. That's helpful. So I ordered this custom mount off of Chin Mounts, and it's supposed to go, I believe, down here. But to be honest, it kind of fits the best right there. Down here, just so that looks like on the other side. Now I know that these were designed for the original version, the Atlas 1.0s, but on their website it said it. Their design should still fit these, and it really doesn't that well. So I don't know if they need to get their hands on just a new set or what, because that's a no-go. And the microphone already came off and sticky. Okay, we're gonna have to do something about that. And that looks like the new GoPro setup to me. Wonder how much this is blocking my vision. Actually, should probably take that into account. Yeah, it's there, it's noticeable, but it doesn't really affect my vision with it, so I'm happy with it. But alright guys, so my battery's running low, I gotta go. That was the quick install of the shockwave and my new GoPro setup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. I would highly appreciate that. Otherwise guys, make sure you hit the notification bell for more uploads. I'm planning to upload a lot this week, depending on how things turn out and things go. We're gonna try to upload a lot. I got some plans for us, but other than that, guys, you have a great day. Laters.